Hi, I'm hungry and sad today, so I asked my friend Cindy to come make me a comfort meal. Who was it? Cindy! Hi! Archie! Come join, please! Archie, come on! How old is this? Is that old?
Oh!
Stop!
That
Seriously, Cindy, that's embarrassing. Throw it away.
Oh, this is heavy chicken.
Okay,
I think we
that
should
is a lot of chicken.
do some sort of like panko crusted crispy chicken.
Okay.
I got green onions,
Delish.
pank,
Delish.
toasted sesame seeds because I was also out. I needed them, but I also
Delish.
Shin black ramen.
It's kind of crazy that it says bone broth instead of regular
I
broth.
know. I had it recently and it was really good. Garlic chili sauce. You have some fun sauces that you can add. This is your cheese.
Woo! Is there mold?
And that's it.
Yay! Aha!
Wow, these are so
Like, what is
nicely
this?
organized.
Thank you. It literally says ramen.
Stop.
Look.
Oh, yeah, we have to use that. Kimchi seasoning. I think we should put kimchi on top.
Yeah, totally.
Okay. I think we start with the chicken.
I don't want to touch the chicken.
Okay.
Yes.
What should we fry it in? We could fry it in. Well, yes. So what do you do when you have to touch chicken when you're cooking?
I do it, but you're here, so I don't have to. Do you wash your chicken?
I'll do a rinse,
Okay.
I guess. You don't?
I know that, no, and I know that's a little
This is pretty thin
controversial. I
already.
was like Googling it because I've seen
What
so
does
many
Google
different
say?
answers. It says that if you wash it, it like contaminates the rest of your sink and kitchen with the germs, and like when you cook it, it like makes it not.
Maybe with soap.
Yeah, let's wash it with soap. What am I getting?
I have no idea. This is me cutting a chicken's breast.
Wow, that's actually really amazing and beautiful.
Wow.
You have a green face in your teeth. It's in the front. Has that been there the whole time?
Please
What's in my teeth?
Smile. It's right in the center. Do you want to do this?
Sure. You want to make sure it's all even. We'll do this one there.
Okay, we're gonna fill this stuff up. Nice and hot. I'm really filling it in there, so I just used a lot of it for you.
How thin do you want these, babe?
Pretty thin. Oh,
Wait, I'm like so excited for when it's over and we're eating it.
when it's over.
Like I want to be eating it so bad.
I know. Life's
Wow.
a climb, but the view's great. That was Devin's senior quote.
Was it actually? Of course it was.
What was the last thing we made together? I feel like we haven't really.
Like, I don't know, the last thing I remember is when we tried to make homemade pasta. Right?
On Valentine's Day
Yeah, that was
Not even this year, that was
last
last
year.
year.
Is it? There's no way that's the last thing we made together.
Yes. Okay,
Oh.
first bowl, eggs.
2 eggs.
2.
Yeah.
Do you want to crack one and I'll crack one?
Yeah, but you're doing it fancy and I don't do them fancy.
Why don't you try? Hold it like this. You're gonna hit it kind of hard on the end and then hold it up and break it with your these 2 fingers, like open it like that.
Are you fucking serious?
Ready?
Not really.
Get a crack in
Let me
it.
watch you. Okay. I'm so scared.
Yay! You're staying.
I actually
cool.
did, mine's gorgeous.
Second bowl,
Should I?
lava. What's your favorite grocery store?
My favorite grocery store, honestly, Bristol Farms. It's like the Erewhon Duke that's everywhere, and I feel like they have more
normal
options.
stuff, too.
Yeah, they have more options. I feel like Erewhon's like a little niche.
Yeah. Do you think we should season the flour at all?
Should we
Is
use
that
that
random?
pepper in there?
Yeah.
Because we would do salt and pepper anyway, so we should use the fun pepper.
Spice House black garlic ramen pepper. That does smell good. Whoa.
This is the house blend seasoned salt.
This is like
Has like a
really
bunch of
hot.
different spices and herbs. ramen bowls you got me for my birthday.
I got you ramen bowls for your birthday.
This is seriously so exciting.
Flour. Said your favorite meat was, I don't remember.
Everything. I love meat. And I love fish.
I haven't had salmon ever since I tried that Emily Mauricio bowl.
That's insane. Like, actually, since then?
Have not had salmon.
That was like 2 years ago now.
I'm a mess.
It's been a hard day. Why did I have a hard day?
Yeah.
I haven't had a hard day at all, actually. Like, I went to work out, and ever since my workout, I've had really bad anxiety, and I don't know if it's because I had too much caffeine. But the caffeine that I had is the same amount that I have every morning.
Just
a little confused.
coffee that you make at home?
Yeah. You know?
Hmm.
So what do you think? Why do you think I have anxiety?
Well, maybe you were listening to that song, Anxiety.
That is not good.
I thought you actually could like kind of sing at one point.
You know, I've been told that by some people in my life, but I think they're people that were a little biased.
Right.
Like my dad.
Aww.
I used to take singing lessons when I was younger.
And modeling.
But my mom made me go to modeling camp. It was at a random hotel, like in LA.
No.
And it was really sus. And there's like photos of me in like the parking lot. And I'm like, and I looked like really bad. Did you have anxiety today?
I'll say yeah, probably.
Do you have anxiety every day?
No.
How many days out of the week would you say you have anxiety?
I think it depends on the life circumstances. Because there could be days for weeks when it's none.
Yeah.
But then there could be a month
So
where it's
what's
like,
happening?
whoa, yeah, it's every day.
Yeah, it's every day, bro.
I knew you were gonna say that.
Did you watch?
No, I did not. And you did.
I did. Are you happy there's people here? Are you having so much fun?
Okay.
Should I put him in an outfit?
Yeah.
You look so beautiful in your outfit.
We're gonna take this one.
Be careful with your finger. You're so brave.
Oh. Not piece of chicken.
I always wonder, like, what am I supposed to do with the oil I like stress out about all the time?
Just did like your nose.
Yeah. Genius.
Now you wrap it up. Or just leave it for a little bit so it'll harden.
Wow.
Oh my.
Okay, so inside we have classic noodles, love the shape. And then we have vegetable mix, beef bone broth seasoning mix,
Yes.
obsessed with that, and then another seasoning mix.
Yes.
I like it when it tastes like noodle-y,
Yeah.
and I also think it's good when I feel like I'm hungover just because this is like a hangover meal for me. If you had to pick, would you pick ramen or Kraft?
Oh, you can't do
You
that.
have to pick cucumbers or tomatoes.
Tomatoes. Tomatoes are in more things that I wouldn't want to get rid of, like pizza, pasta. I love pizza.
Do
Like,
you?
I love pizza.
You're a pizza girl?
I recently have been obsessed with Domino's. I know
You
there's
have
better
you've been
pizza,
sending
but,
like
I-
a Domino's photo like
like,
every day.
one-
What's your order?
My order is a small, well, I guess it depends on who I'm eating it with. Hand tossed, it has like the garlicky salt crust.
The crust is so good.
Domino's crust is the best
It's
crust.
insane. Your timer's going.
Noodles.
Are dangerous, girl. No.
No, really.
Cool. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. You reading your text?
Did you see that?
No. Sydney!
Wow.
This is really exciting.
Yeah. See, this one's like random little. Wow. I think you're doing really great.
Oh, thank you.
Who taught you or inspired you to cook in your life?
My dad.
Your dad?
He would just like always be cooking. But yeah, he would always cook for me as a kid, and then he taught me when I lived with him still. And now still, like our bonding time is like I'll go over there and cook together. Like if I call him like, let's make dinner together tonight, he will race over here. It's like an hour drive.
That's really cute.
It is really sweet. But then I usually just make him cook for me. I usually do it.
This is all gonna kind of get mixed in, so I think it's fine. Just checking.
Wow.
Okay, now we're gonna turn it up a little bit and we're gonna cover it.
Holy. It smells divine. Oh my god. It looks so good.
Oh, should
It
we add
smells
some
so
of the seasonings that we put on the chicken in here?
Yes.
You mix it,
Seasoned
it's like
salt.
creamy.
This is the garlic pepper.
Okay. Wow. Have you used the bowls yet? Is this gonna be the first time?
I've used them once.
You-
When I made like a peanut udon.
Oh yes, you sent me a photo. Time. Wow.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
perfect.
Oh my gosh. I feel like we both really appreciate the presentation of food.
100%. That like
It's
makes it taste better.
Really important to both of us. Wow.
It's perfect. It is seriously perfect. You know what I mean? It looks like globs.
Fresh granola. This like looks like something you'd order at a restaurant.
No, literally. I would probably order this for like, $26.
Yeah, this is looking like 26.
Yeah. Cute. Like gorgeous, honey. That tastes like KFC.
Oh my god, it does. No, I can't even talk right now. I've never had better ramen. Like
No,
at home made.
No, me too. This is the best ramen I've had in my, not even kidding, in my entire life. And the chicken,
Wow.
the cheese.
It just adds like a creamy.
Holy.
I'm like in shock.
No, like, I'm inhaling this whole bowl right now.
I genuinely would give this a 10 out of 10.
I would too.
Like, there's not one thing I would change or add or do different.
No, it's like really perfect.
Wow.
And I'm rude.
How do we end it?
We should do this again sometime.
What should we make next?
We should honestly have people comment and tell us what to make and just make something random.
Okay. It's up to you. Bye.